Hey guys, welcome to my channel, and in this video we are going to talk all about flipsnack but part 2, because in the last video I don't know whether you saw it or not. Well, in the last video I gave in my channel, it was all about flipsnack part 1, and flipsnack, because flipsnack is a really, there are a lot of things to be explored, so I couldn't give it all in the one video. So today I'll be speaking about flipsnack again. Okay. And before I start this video, I want everyone to subscribe to my channel and like and share the videos. Okay, now shall we start with Flipsnack part 2. Okay, in the previous video I had taught everyone to insert text, photos, uploads, and yes, uploads. And I also told you how to edit text. Okay, in this video I'm gonna start up with shapes. So shapes, there are a huge variety of shapes. For example, if I add a new page, and then there are a variety of shapes. Suppose I want to show someone that uh, it is a constellation. I think this is a sign of a constellation. Yes. So I want to show someone that this is a constellation. So we can insert a variety of shapes from here. We can just drag and drop, and also we can click and send it over here. So that is not a major problem. There are many shapes. Well, not what I would call shapes though, because there are fingerprints and etc. etc. Anyway, now let's see about something I call background color. So in the background color, we can choose from a variety of colors. No, 1 minute. I think that this is the default palette color. This is the background color. Yes. From once we click on this page, there will be an option over here called background. In my one, this is white. In this one, which is a template which I had already taken in the previous video, it is showing yellow. Now if I want it to change to black, I can do that. So suppose I change this one to this one. Yes. Wow, it looks nice, doesn't it? Anyway, so now I am going to tell everyone how to. I hope everyone knows how to zoom in and zoom out from a web page. Zoom in and zoom out. There are the controls. Anyway, I'm going to teach how to double the pages. Like over here, when we click above layers, there's an option called pages. You have to click on that, and then a bar will come. So now my setting is in single page, and this will help people a lot when suppose we are writing a very long story and we choose one of them, so we can navigate. Suppose I am writing a very long story and I want to navigate. See I am in this page. I want to navigate to the first page, and then I want to make some changes. And also we can do one thing to make it look like an exact book. We can make it double. The doubling makes it look like an exact book. It takes pairs of pages and puts them together. So I think it is really nice. Okay. Anyway, so we can do like this. Over here is an option of deleting a page, duplicating a page, and adding a page. This is I am duplicating this page, the title page. I can click here and then I can click duplicate the page for me. Okay, next is preview mode. This gives you a preview of what your flipbook is going to be like, so that you can, if needed, you can make some changes and you can do as you wish. Next is the probably the last one. This is the download option. This one, if we click on download, we will have to click. Actually, this download thing is not available in this one, this free version. So for doing it, we can do one thing. We can click publish, and then over here we can. This is the part which I like the most. Okay, over here we can change the skin to make it classic skin and new skin. We can change the background color of this, not the background color of the story. Suppose I want to keep the background color like this. You understand? The background color over here in this one. Okay, next is hardcover effect. This really gives a hardcover effect to the book, so we can change it. We can also play with the shadow on pages option, and other than that, after this we can save it, share it, we can give a title, we can use a description for our flip book, and then publish it. Publish, when I click on publish, it will be published to the flipsnack. And to share someone over WhatsApp or any other kind of sharing website, we can just copy this link. What is this? Copy this link and then paste it somewhere where we want to share it. This link I am copying. We can copy it. Anyway, so I know this was a really short video, so we have come to the end of tutorial for flipsnack. Hope you liked it, and bye bye. And until the next video, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and stay in tune. Bye bye.